Hey guys, so we've tried a couple of things already. We've tried using the PC to download the pure APK install, as you can see in the background there, and then download the XAPK for the Call of Duty Mobile, and going through all the process and still keep on getting errors on the phone. So we tried to download the Android app, okay, and now we're downloading the COD. As you can see, wait, we're gonna show you, okay. So it's 5% already. Hopefully we can install it straight from here, and we're gonna keep you updated. This is the third time I'm downloading almost 2 GB of data, so let's see. So we're done downloading it, already auto installed. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So it's done. We're gonna press install, and we're gonna see if it's gonna work. Open, please work. I just spent. That's working. It's working. Okay, so it's gonna log in. Let's see. So it says download configuration failed. Make sure device connected to the internet. Yes, it's connected. See, it's connected. See, oh. Now it's downloading. Yoo-hoo! So it's downloading additional resources. And it's finally connected. So we're gonna try to log in, if we can log in using the Facebook. Okay, so so we can sync our progress from the phone to the tablet. So let's see if it loads. Oh, it looks like I'm still in the training, so we're gonna try it out and let you know.